In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Analytics in Webflow. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go inside Webflow, what to click, and how to confidently review the integration details before you connect your site. Make sure you're signed in to your Webflow account and that you have access to the site you want to track. Start by opening your Webflow project in the Designer or Dashboard. On the site, follow the on-screen highlight to open the area where integrations and apps are managed. If you see a search field, click into it and type what's highlighted to bring up Google's official integration listing. Select the highlighted result to continue. From here, choose the card that reads, "Create and manage Google Ads campaigns directly inside Webflow." This opens Google's official listing within the Webflow apps ecosystem. Click Open Full Listing so you can see everything in one place. It's a good practice to review what the integration offers, so select Create, Manage, and Optimize Ads without leaving Webflow to expand the overview. Next, click Description to read what the integration does and how it connects your Webflow site to Google services. Understanding this helps you confirm you're in the right spot and that the integration supports the Google tracking you plan to use. Then, switch to Permissions. This section explains what data the integration can access and what capabilities it needs. Reviewing permissions is important for privacy, compliance, and team approvals. When you're done, return to Description to close out your review. When you're ready to proceed, click Install on Site. Webflow will guide you through the installation flow so the integration is added to the specific site you selected. After installation, choose Google Ads for Webflow to enter the app's onboarding. Now click Connect Webflow Site. This step links your Webflow project to the Google integration so it can pass the necessary data and settings. That's the full connection flow inside Webflow. You've navigated to your site, used the highlighted search to find the official Google listing, reviewed the description and permissions, installed it on your site, and connected the project. A quick tip. After installation, make sure your site is published so new settings propagate. Also, allow some time for Google to begin receiving data. If you've already configured your Google property, you can use real-time reporting on Google's side to confirm visits are coming through once traffic hits your site. You're all set. Follow these exact clicks